demonstration you're about to witness is conducted in a controlled environment by trained professionals. Do not attempt this at home. For the purposes of this demonstration to illustrate the concept of pyrolysis, we're going to use just a normal piece of bread in your average kitchen toaster. Every time that toast pops up, we're going to use a thermal imaging camera to record the temperature of the piece of the toast when it comes out. The first time around, that temperature is 118 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll then allow the toast to rest for several minutes and return back to the normal ambient temperature before putting it back into the toaster. In this case, that's 64 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll repeat this over and over again over the course of several hours. The concept of pyrolysis is such that the continued application of heat to some type of combustible, typically organic substance, over time will eventually remove all the moisture from that, as well as lowering the autoignition temperature of that substance through thermal degradation. Over time, eventually what will occur is after that substance has been degraded sufficiently and there's a sufficient amount of oxygen, ignition can occur even without the application of an open flame. As we went through and recorded the temperatures, the first time around was 118 degrees, then 140 degrees, then 160 degrees, then it went up to 185 degrees. Several cycles later, it started recording 338 degrees, 549 degrees, and then the last time before bursting into flames, it recorded 637 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, this is with a cooling period before putting it in. It was at 64 degrees Fahrenheit, and it was only 2 minutes and 15 seconds approximately that it was in the toaster before catching fire. Now what this illustrates is the concept that we have to be cognizant of poor electrical installations, fixtures, wiring that can generate arcing that over time will heat up combustible materials around it. The same would hold true for any type of chimney applications where improper clearance to combustibles exists.